To celebrate a historic milestone, the official handover of housing units from National Housing Corporation, NHC, to the county government of Kisii. The journey to this moment has been long and at times challenging. Between 1974 and 1981, the NHC developed several housing schemes within Kisii on behalf of the then municipal council. This development included 55 rental units, 39 bungalows, and 16 flats, and as well as major sites and services scheme that provided roads, water networks, electricity, sewer system, survey, and planning approvals. In total, the National Housing Corporation disbursed 4 loans amounting to 10.9 million, whose repayment obligations were assigned to the defunct municipal council. However, over time, the repayment fell into arrears, leading to a significant accumulation of the debts. Ladies and gentlemen, several attempts were made in the past to resolve the debt issue before we came to the office. However, it's only through our recent engagement that last solution was reached. In November 2023 and in July 2024, both National Housing Corporation and the county government of Kisii held a consultative meeting and agreed on outstanding debt of Kenya shillings of 43.9 million. You know, that is the principal and the interest. Later, discounted to 39.4 million. First, the debt clearance. Kisii County is now debt-free with National Housing Corporation, creating room for new partnership with the development agencies to construct modern residential units that will yield high revenue than the old depreciated ones that we have around. Second, land accumulation. The county regained control of over 3.5 acres of prime land in Nyanjwa. Hopefully that the crooks, they will not start preparing papers. You know, here we have some crooks, we have to deal with them slowly. Unlocking space for further urban development. Add revenue enhancement. We now have authority to review rental charges, which had not been revised by National Housing Corporation since 2011, thus enhancing our local revenue collection. And I want to tell you, I've seen some report. We did very well on our own source revenue. You will see that report. But beyond figures and land, what this handover symbolizes is a renewal of trust. It shows that when institutions collaborate in good faith, long-standing challenges can be resolved. I wish to sincerely thank the leadership of National Housing Corporation, where my colleague, Mheshimiwa Yusuf, is the head, for their patience, professionalism, and the cooperative spirit. I also appreciate my county executive committee members, Department of Lands Fiscal Planning, Housing and Urban Development, and officers who work tirelessly to conclude on this. My administration is committed to ensuring that these houses are managed transparently, equitably, and in the best interest of our residents. We will also prioritize the redevelopment of old houses or housing estates into modern, decent, and affordable homes for our people. And I want to promise that we are going to really National Housing, because you guys, you do this housing, we may give you the opportunity to come in and help us. Now that the president is doing the housing project, we go ahead because of the money. You do for us, we see how we can be able to partner. These are promises that I want to make. Today, Today's event is therefore not just a handover of houses, but a handover of opportunities for growth, renewal, and transformation of Kisii housing land. On behalf of the county government and the people of Kisii, I take this opportunity to thank the National Housing Corporation and all partners who made this day possible. If you flew over Kisii, you realize how is a rural slum looks like. We can't afford to go on that. Therefore, I'm looking forward to see you again.